Sean's Gadgets.
This is Huawei Y7. This is not a flagship, but it can be a good phone for some people that is into devices but not into pro modes. Now, this is not a new device. It was released in March 2019 as expected to be an entry-level smartphone in the world of Huawei. Before we open this box, let's have a little bit of information about this device. So, expectedly, this has a 13 megapixel 1080p camera. It has a 3 gig of RAM for memory with a chipset of Snapdragon 450. It is not new. Take note, it is not a new chipset. Like I said, this is just an entry-level smartphone. So you should not expect anything pro in this particular device. Because again, the very purpose if you're going to buy this is just for some casual things like just simple calling or maybe simple chatting, especially at this time of pandemic. So you would want a device that will somehow keep you on track of your online classes or any other simple stuff. It has a battery of 4000 milliampere. Okay, so let's open this. So I got here a 64 gig of memory model and its color is Aurora Purple. It's a dual SIM. Okay, so let's open this box. So I already removed the cellophane. Okay. You know, I really love listening to sound of boxes being opened. Let's do that again. Okay. Now, this is one thing I really noticed upon opening this box. The smartphone, unlike other flagships, is enclosed with cellophane here. You know, I'm not actually expecting a particular device being wrapped with this kind of cellophane, but again, this is just an entry-level smartphone, so what can you expect? So unlike other smartphones, when you're just going to expect the device when you open the box, but this one, it has a cellophane in it. Okay, so there. So it's Aurora Purple. To be honest, it's quite appealing. Now, I'm not into this kind of color, but it looks pretty good for this kind of level of smartphone. Okay, so before we put that aside first, so let's see what's in this box. Okay, we have here a free casing, transparent one, so you can use this. At least it has free case, but most of flagships today, especially Android world like Samsung, has also their own free transparent cases right out of the box. Of course, we have the manual, the usual stuff, which you're not gonna read anyway, but again, it's part of the manufacturing and yeah, it adds up to the price. A warranty card. Wow. So this is something you're not gonna be seeing in iPhone or Samsung devices. It has a warranty card. So I don't know, maybe. But actually when you buy a phone, it's already expected that there is a warranty, you know. Here we have this ejector pin that looks like an earring. Yeah, there. Be careful that you might really lose that. Okay, so we're gonna use that later. Then we have here, of course, the USB-C cord, the power adapter. So, is this a 5-watt power adapter? Okay. Then what else? What was this? Okay. We have some. This is cute. Earphones. How about this part? It's not. Okay, that's pretty much about the box. It's not USB-C. Okay. Okay, love that sound. So now we're done setting up this device, except for the time. As you can see, it's 5:53 p.m. here. It only weighs around 168 grams. Okay, so it has glass front, but yeah, plastic back. It's not glass. Okay, that's why it's a little bit cheaper when you buy it. So OS, I guess it's still Android 8. So pretty much, yeah. Let's check that out. System, about phone. Yes, it's Android 8. So let's see some pictures on this phone. Okay, so this is the video shot of the Huawei Y7. As you can see, it's a little bit shaky, and you know, the colors are not that vibrant. But if the purpose of your shooting is not for vlogging or, you know, some other stuff like pro stuff, then it will be okay. I'm not gonna say good, but okay. Okay, so that's pretty much about the Y7 Huawei. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments down below. Now, if you're going to ask me, is this a good phone for entry level? This might work. Especially again, if you're not into pro kinds of stuff, like you're gonna use your phones for just very basic things like surfing the web, or you're not really kind into gamings. This is a good phone. Tell me about your opinion. So bye! It's kind of good, but not really good. Then I tried this aperture shot, which was supposed to give me some bokeh effect.